If you're managing your pharmaceutical license portfolio in a spreadsheet, you're not alone. For years, Excel has been the go-to, but as the industry grows more complex, that approach is starting to show its limits. State licensing isn't the simple back-office task it used to be. Today's pharmaceutical companies are navigating increasingly complex requirements, operating across more jurisdictions than ever, and facing higher regulatory stakes with every passing year. The conversation usually starts with missed renewals, but the bigger issue is visibility. Leadership needs to know at a moment's notice. Which licenses are approaching expiration? Where are applications pending? What facility changes trigger action? Where are compliance risks emerging? A spreadsheet can store data, but it can't give you that confidence. There's another hidden risk. What happens when the person who knows everything leaves? When critical knowledge lives with one or two individuals, your compliance program is only as stable as your headcount. Strong programs are built on documented processes, not institutional memory. And then there's the time. Compliance teams are spending countless hours updating records, chasing deadlines, and building reports, time that could go towards strategic work that actually moves the business forward. Because here's the thing, licensing isn't back office anymore. It directly affects manufacturing, distribution, product launches, and business growth. Licensing deserves the same infrastructure investment as your finance or quality systems. The shift from spreadsheets to a purpose-built platform means moving from siloed, reactive data management to a single source of truth with automated tracking and full visibility across your entire portfolio. That's exactly what PharmaRegs delivers. The platform centralizes oversight, automates alerts, provides full visibility to leadership, and scales as your portfolio grows. So here's the question worth asking. Does your spreadsheet provide the visibility, scalability, and confidence to support a modern pharmaceutical organization? If the answer isn't a clear yes, it's time to talk to PharmaRegs. Visit pharmaregs.com to learn more.